When it comes to finding a budget-friendly camera, it's all about balancing price with performance. Whether you're a beginner or just need a reliable camera for casual shoots, there are plenty of great options out there that won't break the bank. In this video, we'll review 5 of the best budget cameras on the market: the GoPro Hero 10 Black, Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, Nikon Z50, Sony ZV-1, and Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. Let's dive into what makes each of these stand out. Kicking off our list at number 1, GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is the latest in GoPro's lineup, bringing cutting-edge technology in a compact, budget-friendly package. With incredible video quality, top-notch stabilization, and a durable build, this camera has become a go-to for action shots and content creators who need a reliable camera at an affordable price. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, the Hero 10 Black brings performance and value together in a way that's hard to beat. Key features: the GoPro Hero 10 Black is packed with features that make it perfect for both extreme sports enthusiasts and casual vloggers. It boasts a 23MP camera that can shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring ultra-sharp details even in fast-moving scenes. The Hero 10 also features hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization, offering smooth footage no matter how shaky your hands may be. Additionally, it's equipped with a front-facing screen, making it ideal for self-recording or vlogging. With its waterproof capabilities down to 33 feet and a rugged design, it's built to withstand even the toughest environments. Benefits and usage: the GoPro Hero 10 Black is perfect for anyone looking to shoot high-quality video on the go. Whether you're into adventure sports, vlogging, or just want a versatile camera for everyday use, the Hero 10 delivers excellent performance at a reasonable price. It's especially beneficial for content creators who want to capture both video and still images in a variety of conditions, thanks to its wide range of settings and customizable modes. Its durable build and waterproof capabilities make it great for underwater and outdoor adventures. Usability: GoPro cameras have long been praised for their user-friendly interface, and the Hero 10 Black is no exception. With an intuitive touchscreen and simple controls, even beginners can pick up the camera and start shooting right away. The addition of the front-facing screen enhances the vlogging experience, allowing you to frame your shots easily. Plus, the Hero 10's voice control function enables hands-free operation, making it even more convenient when you're in action. Durability: built to withstand tough conditions, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is waterproof to a depth of 33 feet without needing additional housing. Its rugged design ensures it can survive drops, bumps, and scrapes, making it perfect for high-energy activities like hiking, biking, or skiing. This camera is truly designed to be taken on any adventure, with a durable exterior that ensures it can handle both the elements and any wear and tear that comes with regular use. In the second spot, we have Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a mirrorless camera that combines portability, powerful features, and budget-friendly pricing. Ideal for photography enthusiasts who want a professional-level camera without the high-end price tag, the EM10 Mark IV offers great image quality, in-body stabilization, and fast autofocus, all packed into a compact, retro-styled body. Whether you're into landscape, street, or portrait photography, this camera has the versatility to capture stunning shots. Key features: equipped with a 20.3MP sensor, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV captures stunningly detailed photos with vibrant colors and sharpness. It also features 4K video recording, making it great for both stills and motion shots. The camera's in-body 5-axis stabilization system helps reduce shake for clearer images, and the high-speed autofocus ensures you never miss the perfect shot. Its compact design and lightweight body make it easy to carry around, while the tilting LCD screen provides flexibility when shooting from different angles. Benefits and usage: the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is perfect for those who want high-quality photos and videos in a compact form factor. It's an ideal choice for anyone interested in photography but hesitant about the size and complexity of more advanced cameras. Its in-body stabilization helps beginners and advanced users alike shoot steady images even in low light. Whether you're shooting still photos or vlogging, this camera covers all your needs, giving you pro-level results without the pro-level price. Usability. With its simple controls, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to photography. The touchscreen interface allows you to easily navigate settings, and the camera's built-in guides and tutorials help you learn on the go. The tilting screen is a great feature for selfies and vlogging, making this camera versatile for various types of shooting. The menu system is intuitive, so even beginners won't feel overwhelmed with complicated settings. Durability. Despite its compact size, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV has a solid build that can handle everyday use. While it's not fully weather-sealed, it can withstand light rain and outdoor conditions. Its magnesium alloy body provides sturdiness without adding bulk, making it a durable and portable camera. If you're looking for a camera that can withstand regular use and occasional rough conditions, this one does the job well while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Coming in at number 3 is the Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that offers impressive image quality, fast autofocus, and a compact design. It's the perfect budget-friendly option for photographers who want to step into the mirrorless world without paying a premium price. With a 20.9 MP sensor and the ability to shoot 4K video, the Z50 is a versatile option for both stills and video. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or videos, the Z50 delivers excellent results with the convenience of a small, lightweight body. Key features. The Nikon Z50 features a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor, ensuring sharp, detailed images with excellent color reproduction. It offers 4K UHD video recording and a variety of frame rates, making it a solid choice for videographers on a budget. The camera's fast autofocus system ensures you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease, and the tilting touchscreen LCD allows for flexible shooting angles. The Z50 is also equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and remote control, making it perfect for content creators. Benefits and usage. The Nikon Z50 is an excellent choice for those who want to shoot high-quality images and videos without breaking the bank. Its compact design and user-friendly controls make it perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. With 4K video capabilities, it's also great for vloggers and content creators looking to produce professional-level videos. Its fast autofocus and versatile lens options make it ideal for capturing everything from landscapes to action shots with stunning clarity. Usability. The Nikon Z50 is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an easy camera to use for photographers of all skill levels. Its touchscreen interface is intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments to settings. The camera's menu system is organized and easy to navigate, and it offers customizable controls to suit your preferences. For vloggers, the tilting screen and microphone input make it a great option for shooting video. The lightweight body ensures that the camera is easy to carry and won't weigh you down during long shoots. Durability. With a solid build and weather sealing around key components, the Nikon Z50 is durable enough for everyday shooting, though it's not fully weatherproof. Its lightweight, magnesium alloy body makes it both sturdy and portable. While it can handle regular wear and tear, it's advisable to use a protective case when traveling or shooting in more challenging conditions. Overall, the Z50 is a well-built camera that can withstand typical use without any issues. Taking our 4th spot is Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is designed specifically for content creators, making it an excellent budget option for vloggers, streamers, and social media influencers. It combines the performance of a compact camera with features tailored for video, including a flip-out screen, high-quality microphone, and advanced autofocus. With a 20.1 MP sensor and 4K video capabilities, the ZV-1 offers exceptional video quality in a small, easy-to-use package. Key features. The Sony ZV-1 boasts a 20.1 MP 1-inch sensor that delivers stunning images and videos, especially in low-light conditions. It shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring crisp, high-quality footage for all your projects. One of the standout features is its fast and accurate autofocus, which locks onto subjects in real time, making it perfect for dynamic video shoots. The ZV-1 also includes a fully articulating screen, a built-in directional microphone, and a dedicated product showcase mode, which is a must-have for product reviewers and influencers. Benefits and usage. The Sony ZV-1 is ideal for anyone looking to create professional-looking video content without spending a fortune. It's perfect for vloggers, streamers, and social media influencers, offering excellent video quality and features like background blur control and product showcase modes that enhance your content. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around for on-the-go shooting, and it's especially beneficial for anyone looking to create high-quality videos with minimal setup. Whether you're recording tutorials, unboxings, or lifestyle content, the ZV-1 delivers excellent results. Usability. The Sony ZV-1 is extremely user-friendly, especially for those new to video creation. The camera's touchscreen interface allows for quick adjustments, and the flip-out screen ensures you can easily monitor yourself while filming. The bokeh button allows for quick background blur adjustments, and the microphone can be easily enhanced with a windscreen to reduce wind noise. With its simplified interface, the ZV-1 allows users to focus more on their content rather than technical settings. Durability. The Sony ZV-1 is a compact camera that's perfect for casual use, though it's not built for extreme conditions. Its small frame makes it highly portable, but it's not as rugged as action cameras like the GoPro. It can withstand everyday wear and tear, but it's best used with a protective case when traveling or shooting in more demanding environments. Its plastic build is lightweight, and while it's sturdy for normal use, extra care is needed to ensure it lasts long. And finally, at number 5, we have Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. The Canon Powershot G7X Mark III is a popular choice for vloggers and content creators due to its compact size, powerful performance, and affordability. With a 20.1 MP sensor, 4K video recording, and a 3x optical zoom lens, the G7X Mark III offers professional quality video and photography in a pocket-sized camera. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced vlogger, this camera is a solid option for anyone looking to create content on a budget. Key features. The Canon G7X Mark III features a 20.1 MP sensor and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring your videos and photos come out crisp and detailed. Its 3x optical zoom lens allows for versatility in framing shots, while the large 1-inch sensor helps produce excellent low-light performance. The camera also includes a flip-up touchscreen for selfies and vlogging, along with a microphone input for better audio quality. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it's easy to share your content or control the camera remotely. Benefits and usage. The Canon G7X Mark III is perfect for those looking for a versatile, easy-to-use camera that can shoot both photos and high-quality videos. It's especially beneficial for vloggers, content creators, and travel enthusiasts who want to capture sharp footage without carrying around a bulky DSLR. With its fast autofocus, flip-up screen, and microphone input, it's the ideal camera for capturing clear, engaging content for social media or YouTube. Its portability also makes it a great travel companion. Usability. The Canon G7X Mark III is designed for ease of use, with a simple interface that allows you to focus more on your content. The touchscreen makes it easy to adjust settings and frame shots, while the flip-up screen ensures you can monitor yourself while vlogging. The camera's compact size makes it easy to carry around, and the microphone input allows you to enhance your audio for professional quality sound. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, the G7X Mark III is user-friendly and effective. Durability. The Canon G7X Mark III is built with everyday use in mind, offering a sturdy build despite its compact size. While it's not waterproof or weather-sealed like some of its competitors, it's durable enough to handle regular use and light outdoor conditions. However, for more rugged adventures, it's best to pair it with a protective case to prevent damage. Overall, it's a reliable camera that can withstand daily use, though extra care is needed in more extreme environments. Finding a great budget camera doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality. Whether you need an action camera, a mirrorless option, or something for vlogging, the GoPro Hero 10 Black, Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, Nikon Z50, Sony ZV-1, and Canon Powershot G7X Mark III all offer exceptional value for their price. By considering the key features, usability, and durability of each, you'll be able to find the right one for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!